If you're looking to stay ahead in the rapidly changing AI world, you need to know about JustCall AI, the latest AI software that's been making waves. In this video, we'll dive into the 7 crucial things you need to know about JustCall AI. Stick around till the end because we'll also talk about why it's worth trying out, completely free, using the first link below. First, JustCall AI isn't just another contact center solution. It's an AI-powered software designed to optimize customer interactions, helping businesses scale more efficiently. Whether you're running a small startup or managing a large team, this tool can streamline communication, allowing you to focus more on strategy and less on routine tasks. What makes JustCall AI stand out is its deep integration with CRM systems like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Zoho, as well as its ability to track conversations and analyze customer sentiment in real time. This means that not only does it help you answer calls and messages faster, but it can also provide insights that improve your customer service. Imagine having an AI assistant that provides actionable data on how your customers feel and what they're really asking for. The AI automatically transcribes calls and generates reports that save you time and effort. For businesses where every second counts, this is a game changer. Instead of having to manually listen to every call, you can jump straight into a report that tells you what happened, what issues arose, and what needs to be addressed, making your team's workflow a lot smoother. Now, here's the real kicker. JustCall AI allows you to automate follow-ups. Whether you're looking to reach out to leads, handle customer service issues, or follow up on sales, the software uses AI to draft, send, and track follow-up messages. This can save hours of manual effort and ensure no one falls through the cracks. No more scrambling to remember who needs a callback or when you should send that follow-up email. For sales teams, JustCall AI's ability to integrate with popular sales tools is a huge advantage. With built-in reporting, you can track your team's performance in real time. The AI also helps optimize your communication flow, ensuring your team can prioritize the most important calls and messages. This is especially useful for high-stakes sales environments where timing and efficiency are everything. Another highlight is the software's scalability. Whether you're dealing with hundreds of calls a day or thousands, JustCall AI can handle it. It allows businesses to adjust as they grow, without having to constantly upgrade their systems or infrastructure. And if you're scaling internationally, it offers features like global number support and multi-language capabilities. As we wrap up, it's important to note that JustCall AI is continuously evolving. The development team is committed to adding new features and enhancing existing ones, making it a software that adapts with your business needs. So, if you're curious about testing it out, you can try JustCall AI completely free from the first link in the description. And if you're looking for more cutting-edge AI software to optimize your business, I've got you covered with my recommended AI tools below, ones I've tried and tested myself. After using thousands of AI tools, I can tell you these are the real deal. Give JustCall AI a try. And don't forget to check out my other recommendations for the best AI tools to boost your business today.